I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making chocolate peanut butter fudge, and it's keto. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Tonight's recipe is a creamy, delicious fudge that's so good your friends and family might not believe it's low carb. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own keto fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. I'm going to make this recipe in a 6x6 pan. If you want more fudge, and you might, use an 8x8 and just double the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 114 grams of butter, 14 grams of sugar-free chocolate chips, 113 grams of cream cheese, 125 grams of unsweetened peanut butter, 64 grams of powdered sweetener, I'm using Swerve, 14 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll also need a 6x6 pan, some parchment or wax paper, a saucepan, and a spoon or spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line a 6x6 pan with parchment paper. Melt together the butter, chocolate chips, and cream cheese over medium heat. Add the peanut butter and mix it until it's fully combined. Remove it from the heat. And stir in the sweetener, cocoa powder, and vanilla. Spread the mixture into the pan. Then chill until set. When it's ready, cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's give it a try. Sláinte. It's very creamy texture. The nuts from the crunchy peanut butter give it another layer of texture, which I'm normally in favor of, but for this though, I think I'd prefer just the creaminess of the fudge. So I think I'd use creamy peanut butter if I made this again. Flavor-wise, the peanut butter is the star of the show here. I might add a little more chocolate next time around, but it's very nice flavor. If you're looking for a simple and tasty low-carb treat, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. I'm making chocolate That's horrible. 14 grams of unsweetened cocoa butter,